Hello, in this video we will see how we can use our applet program in HTML file, or we can embed our applet program in HTML file, or we can pass some values from the HTML file that will be used in applet as a object. So let's say this HTML embedding we will do in the notepad, because in Eclipse it will be somehow complex in the managing directory and folders. So here I have created a new folder in local disk D. Okay, so in this is our new root folder for our Java project. So now I will create a applet class or applet file. So I open notepad, and in the notepad let's create a applet program. I will import first of all the packages. So these are the two packages that we need in our applet program. Now we can write our class. And let's give the class name ABC, and we will extend this class with applet class. And now we will define our main paint method. So I will write public void paint, and as we pass graphics class parameter, object as a parameter. So again I write G. Now let's simply draw a string. So I will write G dot draw. You can make any animation here that we have already seen in our previous videos. So S should be capital. Java nomenclature says that every method name, first letter of the method name will be small, but whenever we start a new word, the first letter of that word will be in capital, and all first letter of the words of class name will be capital. Like applet is a class, so first letter is A is capital, G is capital. So this is Java nomenclature. So here I will write hello, how are you? Okay, so this is a message we will print in the applet program or applet window. So if you execute this file, but before executing you have to save this file. So I will save this in D drive and new folder. Here I will write abc.java. okay, let's save it. Now let's execute this in applet viewer. So I will go to the command mode, and I will change the directory by typing D, and inside the D I will go to the new folder, cd new, that is DOS command. Okay, we are now in a new folder. So inside the new folder I will compile the file first. So I will write java c abc.java. So Java compiler says there is an error in our program. It says method draw a string. Oh, we have not give the xy coordinate. So I will give the xy coordinate as 50 and 50 left and 50 top. Okay, now we compile this file once again, and it says there is no error in file. So it's a normal Java program we run by typing Java interpreter Java ABC, but applet program will execute in the applet viewer. So I will write applet viewer and abc.java. okay, so this will hopefully initialize the applet window. No. So we have to pass the HTML code inside our Java applet file to run this code. So normally if you go to the new folder, we have seen that this is our source folder that we have written. If you open this as a new notepad, this is our source folder, okay, and this is our class file. So this class file is bytecode, and we can import these files in any, or embed this file in any HTML enabled or HTML file, and this will executed in any Java enabled web browser. So to execute this code in applet viewer, we have to write the applet tag. I hopefully you will be aware with the HTML tags. So similarly I will write here applet tag. So applet, this is tag, and we will give some attribute like code equal to class file name. So class file name is abc.class, that is present in the root folder, that is new folder. So we will directly write the abc.class. If this class file is present in any other directory, you have to pass the full path of this class file path. And we will provide the applet window width and height here. So I will write width equal to, let's give the size of the applet window 500 pixel, and height also 500 pixel, and we will close the applet window. So in and we will close the comment line also. We write the applet tag in comment line, so that the Java compiler will ignore this line, but the applet viewer will execute this line, because in HTML this is not way to make the lines comment. So this line will be executed in applet viewer but not in Java compiler. So Java compiler will ignore this. So I again compile the file, and now I will execute this in applet viewer, and in applet viewer you can see abc.class is executed, and it says hello, how are you. So this is the way which you can execute the any program in applet viewer. If you are working in NetBeans or Eclipse, basically in Eclipse you need not write to this applet tag. It by default takes and it executes in applet viewer. So now let's execute this file in explicit HTML file. This is not HTML file, this is a Java file, but we are again using the HTML tags inside these. But we can import this class file in a independent HTML file. So let's make a HTML file. So I write HTML. If you are not you are hearing first time, or you are introductory candidate to the HTML, so this is very easy. I can make you understand here. This in HTML we write tags, different tags, and inside the tags we write our the executable codes, or the codes, or the content we want to be executed in the browser. So every HTML file has a opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. Inside the opening and closing HTML tag we write each and every the content or the things that we want, and anything we want to be displayed inside the web browser, that we write in the another tag named body. So I will write body, and every tag has its closing tag also. So I will close the body. Inside the body I will write the applet tag. That's then only the applet tag will be displayed inside the body. So I write applet code equal to abc dot class, and width equal to, let's give it 300, and height equal to 300, and I will close the applet tag. So since we have provided the path as abc.class, so we have to save this file in new folder only. So I will name the file as try.html. Okay, now if you go to the new folder, there is a HTML file also and name try. So I will execute this, and it asks for to allow the content, Java content. So I will allow the Java content, and it says hello, how are you. So this is a HTML file, and we have successfully imported applet class, that is bytecode, in our HTML file by using applet tag. Fine. Or if you want to execute the any applet program in applet viewer, you have to write extra this code in your applet file, your Java file. Okay, so this is how you can execute any applet program in any HTML file by writing the applet tag and providing the path, class file path, and providing the width and height to the applet tag. Okay, so now we can as I have said that we can pass some parameters to our applet application. So let's pass some parameters to the our applet application. So there, okay, one more thing, in HTML file we write like if you notice here, it's displaying the path of the HTML file, but here we normally display the title. So HTML files contain some basic tags, that is like head. Inside the head we give title to our page. So let's give the title applet web page. Okay, and now we will close the title and head also. So and save the file, and inside this refresh the file. It says title is applet web page. Okay, so hello, how are you. Now we can pass the parameters to the our applet application. So for passing parameter we use param tag. So we write param. Inside the param there is two attributes, one name. Okay, so one attribute is name. So let's display the detail of students or detail of mine. Okay, I will display the detail of mine. Okay, name equal to, so name is the attribute, and name, inside the name we will write name. So this name is the value for the name, and after that we will another attribute is value. For the value we will provide here value. So I will write Sudhakar. Okay, and I will close the param tag. Since param tag is empty tag, so we not write like this param tag, we will not close the param tag. Okay, and in the next line I will write, I can pass more than one parameters to our applet program. So I will write here param name equal to, okay, now age, fine, value equal to, equal to 19. Yes, name equal to profession, value equal to web designer. Okay, so this is this way we can pass the value to our application, applet application. So I have written here name. So for the name we have written name and value Sudhakar, age value, profession value. Okay, now save this file, and we will extract these parameters in our applet program. So in applet program we have to define some string variables that will extract the value of the or you can simply draw the value like this, g dot draw string. It depend on you. You can write get parameters. So get parameter is the function, get parameter is the method that will extract the parameter from the HTML file, but we have to provide the get parameter as parameter of name, attribute value of the attribute name. So I will write here parameter of which, so I will write name. So it will print the and save this file, and now refresh the, nothing is changed in the HTML file. So we have to update, since we have made the change in the Java file, .java file, we have to compile this file so that our class file also will be updated. So I will once compile this file. Okay, it says one error is here. Okay, again I missed the coordinate, so I will write 50 and save this, and I will compile this once again. So oops, parenthesis. These are the common mistakes we generally do in while you are coding. Okay, so now there is no errors, so our class file will be updated because its Java file has successfully compiled. So now if I refresh the HTML files, oops, let's see in the applet viewer. Okay, let's check the applet, save this and draw a string, get parameters name, enemy name 50 and just check the enemy name. Okay, I will check this.